Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.7, Problem 11. This is Section 4.7, Problem 11. It says 10 years ago, the average number of vehicles that went over the Braga Bridge was 80,000 per day. The average number of vehicles that go over the bridge today is 100,000 per day. What is the percent increase? So there is an increase. What is the percent increase? And there's a formula for percent increase. So percent increase equals amount of increase over original amount. And then you have to write it as a decimal. What you'll get is you have to write it as a percent. You'll get a decimal. So how much is the amount of increase? Well, we went from 80,000 vehicles per day to 100,000 vehicles per day. So from 80,000 up to 100,000, the amount of increase is 20,000. And in the denominator, the original amount. Well, the original amount, we started at 80,000, so that's the original amount, 80,000. And 20,000 over 80,000 is the answer. It's not really in the form you want. So the first thing I can do is cancel the zeros, and I have 2 over 8, which I know reduces nicely to 1/4. Now, I know 1/4 is 25%. So if you happen to remember that, like 1/2 is 50%, there's some common ones people remember, then you're done. Now, if you don't remember, what you're supposed to do is the denominator divides into the numerator how many times? 4 divides into 1. Well, 1's not big enough, so write it as a 1.0, pretend it's a 10, bring it straight up. So 4 times something is 10. Well, the closest you're going to get is times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. So you do have a remainder. So you have to put in another 0, bring it down. And 4 times something is 20. Well, times 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 minus 20, it goes in perfectly. Remainder is 0. There's the 0.25 that I remembered from the 1/4. And 0.25 is the decimal version. As a percent, 0.25 is 25%. It's a common number, so I could go from there immediately. If you don't remember, it's one extra quick step. So it's a 25% increase in the amount of traffic over the Braga Bridge.